Hold on.
Hey guys, it's Reagan and Izzy, and we're reading chapters 6 and 7 of Geronimo and the Gold Medal Mystery. Chapter 6, A Little Confession. I have a confession to make, dear reader. I didn't want to let on in front of Hercule Poirot, but I was actually pretty intrigued by his case. As soon as I got off the plane, I hooked up my laptop, went 9, and checked out the list of countries participating in the Olympics.
During ancient times, I had a zillion things to do for grandfather, but no trip to Athens would compete without a little sightseeing. Athens is truly marvelous. Our first stop was Parthenon, an ancient temple dedicated to the goddess Athena, the protector of the city. Holy cheese, it was spectacular. That night I went out to dinner. My guidebook has lots of recommendations for restaurants that specializes in local cheeses. The following morning, I went to Mouse TV's headquarters in Athens. The games in Olympia. The Greek city-states were always fighting amongst themselves. Only on special occasions were they at peace with one another. But every 4 years, a truce was called for the athletic games held in the honor of the god Zeus in the city of Olympia. It was from this event that the modern-day Olympics take its name. The games probably began around 776 BC. They were held every 4 years for approximately 1,200 years, until the Romans conquered Greece. One reason for the games' demise was that they were only of pagan origin, and the Roman Empire was slowly shifting towards Christianity. Who participated? City-states sent their best athletes to compete against one another in the games. However, only men were allowed to participate. Women were absolutely prohibited even to attend. Women could not officially participate in the games until many centuries later, in 1900. How the games were announced. Games were announced by torchbearers. Athletes holding torches ran through Greece to announce the opening of the games. This tradition continues today, with the lighting of the Olympic flame at the beginning of each game. In honor of Zeus. What games were played? Spectators enjoyed watching all the track and field competitions and the pentathlon, which included 5 events: running, long jump, discus, javelin, and wrestling. The chariot and horse races were also crowd favorites. Fans particularly enjoyed combat sports, not surprising since the ancient gods were always fighting. Especially the pancratium, a mixture of wrestling and boxing in which a little of everything was permitted. Punching, biting, and slapping until one of the 2 athletes surrendered. The athletes rubbed their skin with olive oil to warm up their muscles. To make their bodies less slippery and to get a stronger grip, they sprinkled sand on themselves. To the victor, a crown of olive leaves taken from trees that grew near the temple dedicated to Zeus was awarded to the winner of each competition. Bye!